What's going on, guys? Welcome to the future. We are officially here. And I want to go over a couple of big narratives happening in the markets today. Whether or not you are new to crypto, you've probably heard of Ripple and or XRP. I made a video a little while back discussing the release of the stablecoin RLUSD, a product by Ripple, which will be pegged to the US dollar, dollar for dollar value. It should never change. And that news a couple weeks ago was fake, and the product didn't get released at that point in time. I think I had made a couple of videos between multiple platforms and corrected myself, as everybody did. We were all kind of misled, and that had caused some price action in the markets, which could have been an intentional move by institutions. Who knows? I question everything, guys. I question everything. Nonetheless, today, the stablecoin RLUSD is officially getting launched. We're already seeing reflection of it in the markets. And we're going to go over charts for XRP here in a little bit, just see what it's doing. Look at the price action. First off, we are going to read a little bit of this article. So XRP up 4.82% right now. I think it was as low as, what was it yesterday? I think yesterday it was still in like the 240s. Maybe 245 or something last night. This morning I woke up to $2.71 XRP. It's since retraced a little bit, but this says the digital token used on the payment platform Ripple was rising Tuesday on Ripple's launch of the stablecoin RLUSD. The new cryptocurrency could strengthen XRP's role as the central digital assets player. XRP is up 11.5% over the past 24 hours to $2.64 Tuesday, according to CoinDesk. It's funny how they write these as like past tense, right? Even though this is all happening right now. By the way, it's 10:33. 3 gang. Each RLUSD token is fully backed by US dollar deposits, US government bonds, and cash equivalents designed to ensure its stability, reliability, and liquidity, Ripple said on Monday. The coin will be available on global exchanges starting Tuesday. There's a typo. Somebody needs to tell them about that. They probably don't care. The company said initially on Uphold, which, by the way, I've checked on Uphold. Maybe I need to do an update on my app on my phone, but it's currently not showing on the app yet. So maybe I just need to do an update. Not sure. Bitso, MoonPay, Arcax, whatever it's called, and CoinMina, with additional listings on platforms such as Bullish, Bitstamp, Mercado Bitcoin, Independent Reserve, and Zero Hash. I'm actually very surprised that Coinbase is not launching it. Very surprised. Maybe that's coming up. I think, you know what, Coinbase is so big, I could see them using that as a whole nother news event, right? To like bump the price of XRP during the bull run. I think that's a possibility. Ripple also said Kenneth Montgomery, former first vice president and chief operating officer of the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston, will join the RLUSD advisory board to give regulation, financial, and operational guidance. Guys, this is, just the fact that all this is happening right now, if you've been invested into XRP, congratulations, bro. I've been holding on to my bags for so long, and I've been accumulating for so long, that it just feels so good to start seeing all this movement and to know that we've invested in something. We had the foresight to understand what was coming down the pipeline, or at least have a good idea. Nobody knew for sure, but I think a lot of us knew this was going to play out this way. And so for those of you who had the foresight, I'm happy for you right now. Happy for myself. And I'm going to have to plug my computer in pretty soon. Anyways, now we're going to go over to another event today. And this is what kind of surprises me about the timing. So let's do this. I need to get out of this screen. And we're going to change over to the Fed meeting, which is also happening today. Now, this is, to me, pretty interesting. The fact that Ripple stablecoin happened to release on a random Tuesday on the same day as a Fed meeting where they're going to be talking about lowering interest rates a little bit more, right? So we're not seeing a dramatic decrease in the interest rate. They're just lowering it by 0.25 basis points. but it's still somewhat bullish for the whole narrative of crypto, right? The cheaper money gets to borrow, the more money gets put into assets that are appreciating. It's that simple. And so I don't think anything's coincidence. I don't think it's coincidence that Ripple is so entrenched in, let's call it the establishment, because that's what it is, right? Whether you want to, no matter what your beliefs are around Ripple and XRP and RLUSD now, they are very entrenched and they rub elbows, a lot of elbows, with major players in the traditional financial system. It is what it is. But I don't think it's coincidence that this meeting and the launch of RLUSD are happening on the same day. I just don't. So that being said, we're not going to read too much into the Fed meeting as boring stuff, but I just wanted to point out the fact that that's happening today. Not a lot of people are talking about it because all of the news is RLUSD, RLUSD. And this usually creates a lot of volatility. When there's Fed meetings and they're lowering interest rates, it's very bullish. And so we see typically upon the airing of the meeting, the live meeting, we usually see a quick spike in price and it's kind of like a fake out. So we get a quick drop and there's a lot of volatility, a lot of choppy action. And then we usually get some steadier price movement upwards after that. So we'll see what happens. But as of right now, we're going to switch gears one more time. Take a quick look at the charts before my battery dies on my computer. And see what we're doing. Guys, if this video goes black, then just know that my computer died, okay? And I'm going to post it anyways once I get everything back up and running. So here we are. Price action looking really good. This is on the 4-hour chart. So every candlestick representing 4 hours. And you can see we were in a downward sloping channel here with some very big wicks down to the bottom. But it looks like we've crossed this upper line of resistance and are on some good upward trajectory now. We actually passed above this resistance line today, but we have not yet gotten over it and held that line and turned it into support. I'm looking for that to happen today. I'm looking for us to cross this line of resistance. You can see we've had a couple of touch points here, so it's acted kind of as a ceiling. And now we've broken through that ceiling, but we've come back down. Today, I'm hoping to see us go back up above and flip this into support. And if we can flip this into support and bounce off of this, I think over the next few days, we're going to see more price action going up and finally testing those all-time highs, which is what we've all been waiting for, that $3.50 range. I'm hearing a lot about the $3 range, a lot of possible liquidations. I don't get into the analytics too much. I don't know, in terms of like leverage trading in those markets, what type of orders are set for what price ranges. But $3 is a psychological range, right? So we can expect probably to hit $3 again, see another pullback like we did at $2.90. And who knows what happens after that. At some point, we have to break through it, right? We still have a good ways to go in this bull run. I think we're going to have a good Christmas. That is my projection. Can't guarantee anything. This is not financial advice, obviously. I think we're going to have a good Christmas, guys. I think we're going to go into the new year very strong as we get closer to Trump actually taking office, the administration actually coming in and seeing the inauguration happen. I think that'll instill a lot of faith in the economy and the financial markets. And I think we're going to have a good short bull run after that with crazy, crazy price appreciation. And then I personally am going to be pulling quite a bit of profits around that time frame, maybe around like February, March, going into April. Most of my profits that I'm going to take will be taken probably by April, just depending on price action, where everything's at in the markets. But that's what I'm looking at. And then, guys, the goal is always to move money. So I'm going to go ahead and, if I have time, if this cuts me off, then don't hate me. But I wanted to go into a little bit of what I'm planning after pulling profits, because I haven't talked about that too much. My main move is going to be real estate. So when you pull profits from crypto, this is my suggestion. I can't tell you what to do with your money. But don't go buying stupid shit, man. Like, look, we have this bull run, which is an incredible opportunity ahead of us. And I personally believe that we have maybe one more solid bull run, one more good opportunity to really make life-changing money. Life-changing money, guys. I've already made life-changing money. I'm in that realm. Like, I've made more money in the past couple months, guys, off of this bull run so far than I could ever imagine. Because I put in the diligent work over the past 4 years to save, to lower my cost of living, to invest all my extra money into these markets. It's been a lot of back work to lead up to this point. It's been a lot of dedication. It's been a lot of patience. This is an opportunity. It's a short window. Once this one's gone, assuming that we don't have a crazy super cycle and prices just continue to go up, that's why I'm going to hold a portion of my bags that I'm not going to get rid of. But assuming we have an actual bear market, we have one more good opportunity, another 3 years to work hard, to be diligent, to make some sacrifices, and to invest for the next bull run so that we can make enough money to move into other investments that provide us with cash flow. Real estate provides us with cash flow. It provides us with tax incentives. It provides us with appreciation. For me, that is going to be my move. Some of you might want to put it into index funds or something more stable that's going to, give you a guaranteed passive income. That's cool too. I might allocate a portion of my profits into that as well. It just depends on really how much I come up with. But guaranteed, I will pay off my house with cash because personal homes are a liability, right? A personal home that you live in depends on, that you're paying a mortgage on, depends on you making income to pay off that mortgage. That is a liability. Until it's providing cash flow itself, it is a liability. So I will pay off my mortgage. I will eliminate my mortgage. My truck is already paid off. I will have very little bills past that point. And then with whatever extra money, I will buy more real estate. Ideally, a duplex, a triplex, a fourplex, something that I can rent out the units and make additional cash flow and start building equity in more property. That is my goal. And leveraging the tax benefits. I'm not by any means a real estate expert, but I know enough about it to know that's the direction I want to go. That's what feels right for me. And I will bring people into my circle. I will find a real estate attorney that I can keep close by, that I can use for my business. I will find a real estate tax professional who understands the tax codes based around real estate so that I can leverage those tax codes to my benefit. I'll find the people I need to find to start building out that company, that business, and really capitalizing on the opportunity that crypto is going to provide. And then guess what? Once my money is secure, once it is secure in assets that are appreciating, providing me with cash flow, and providing me with tax incentives, then I will use that income to do fun stuff. I will not use my crypto profits to do fun stuff. And that would be my suggestion for you, is to do the same. Guys, I'm going to cut off this video before my computer dies because I feel like it's going to die any second. I'm surprised it actually lasted this long. Love you. If you need anything, hit me up. I'm on Twitter, X. I'm on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. And, of course, I'm on YouTube. Appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon.